The dance of love on water, Western Grebe. Imagine a pair of birds running across the water, dancing in perfect harmony. This is the Western Grebe, Atmophorus occidentalis, a graceful water bird with a long neck, striking red eyes, and a sharp yellow beak. Known for its spectacular courtship dance, the Western Grebe communicates through head movements before running, side by side on the water in a ritual that symbolizes loyalty. Every year, they repeat this dance as a promise of love, reminding us that strong relationships are built on harmony, trust, and commitment.